Like big
Sammy.
giant tree fruit.
So what's that way? California Adventure.
How
Disneyland.
little the train station is.
Yeah.
Oh, this is strange. I love it.
So we're just trying to
Is it cool?
I love this.
I gotta do a video real quick.
All right, go ahead. Hold on. Notice World of Disney, but see above them? Those are rooms for the Grand California.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Hold on.
What's with that for?
It's because we have 13 magical years together.
No, the top one.
The top one, it says I'm an honorary citizen because you guys all got your first year, first visit. Where are they? Somebody wearing it? There's that one there. Somewhere. Show it. Yes, you get a discount if you spend more than $50, which I'm sure you spend more than $50.
But I'm gonna pay for Zoe's too. She can just pay me because she'll get the discount too.
All right. You have enough?
And then I get myself another.
This is pre-shopping.
We haven't even got
I haven't even gone in the parks.
Day one yet. I just went shopping.
Right there.
Lots of moolah.
That's a moolah.
Can I see him? Can you put him right at the screen? Marshmallow, right?
Bigger than Charlie. I could
Look at him, he looks like Charlie. Where are we?
The parking garage!
Yay! We've already cleared security.
We're going to the tram.
We're done with security.
I barely made it.
Mommy got flagged.
They almost took her away.
They know who not to trust in this group. They know who the shady one is.
Yeah, seriously. I called before I went through.
I'm wearing my shirt today. All right, see you at the park. Where are you?
Disneyland. We're in Disneyland.
Zoe. Yeah, never mind. You gonna go look at the apartment?
In a minute.
All right.
Where?
Won't let you upgrade.
Here we go. Ready for the awe? Here comes the
It's gonna be
castle.
so little. You can't even see it over the treetops.
This is where it gets weird.
Oh, that is weird.
It's just.
Main Street is so short.
I feel like I'm in Munchkin Land. No, yours are gonna be. What? It's just me.
She's been watching you since she was a little kid. Thank you, Max. It was Max.
I love Max.
All right, everybody smile.
Picking up a distress signal from Sector 9.
All right, you two.
Oh yeah.
It's been an honor serving with you. Check the status.
How was it? Did you like it? Was it worth the wait?
Smell it.
That is really scary.
It smells like strawberries.
250 and beyond. Sammy, run Chase Mountain.
Don't look into the eyes of the Hydra.
Don't look in the eyes.
Don't tell me that wasn't big fun.
You guys like it?
Oh, that was so much fun.
Okay. Why are you frowning?
I don't like him.
Oh, all right. Okay.
love him.
Walk away.
I don't like him.
Once on board, be sure to put your hat, glasses, and any
Sammy.
business items in a secure place.
Zoe.
Thank you. This
Sabrina.
was a bobsled ride.
Karen. mention that water park. I love you.
Daddy!
What?
Please remain seated.
Hey, Sammy! Sammy, was that good?
That was the worst ride
Do you
ever.
like it?
That was the worst ride ever.
All right, sorry.
You're so mean.
Love you guys.
My eyebrows are waterproof. My eyebrows are gonna melt.
Yes, I know exactly what I'm doing. Don't you worry about me. Disconnect the water.
I want to be wanted. What is that? ようこそ。お客様の安全のため、乗船中は船から。
Oh no, that way. 42. The queen will always win.
Our best in gloomy darkness. So remember.
As long as we shall live. And the certificate. If you decide to join us.
A toast to piracy and its many shining rewards.
Goodness gracious!
What's it saying?
If an amble has been dropped on your foot, press 1. If you've been hit by a ton of brace, dial 3.